Welcome students. Hello. All are there in the class. You are watching. You are seeing. You are looking at me. Okay. Then all are well in the classroom. Okay. Then today we are going to have our session with the poem Life. The session starts with the poem Life. The remaining part of the poem, about the poem, we are going to have again the continuation of the poem that has been added in today's class. The poem focuses on the realities of life and reminds us what we have to face, moments of joy as well as sorrow, hope as well as despair in life. The poet urges to have positive attitude and not to be disheartened by temporary setbacks. So these are the lines that are being given by Charlotte Bronte, which are being really added in our life, and we are going to face the moments of the life with all these things there. So what are the things that we are going to have to enjoy, and some things that are there in the life to have to be in a bold enough by the having of losing of their hopes, emotions and all those other things. Those are the things that makes a life in a person to be a disheartened or by the temporary setbacks what the life is going to be started there. She makes herself that life is comprised of all the things which makes you the real minds of the situations and the positive attitudes which should not be disheartened by the temporary small examples or threatened life. She encourages us to look beyond the intermediate disappointments. We should not look or we should not make the intermediate disappointments in between our happiness and sorrowfulness. And these are the sorrowful events that makes our life to be threatened, to get setbacks already. Then we should have to follow the words which are being threatened in the life, that is sorrow and depression, and we should have to go in the direction of pleasures of life there that has been offered by the God. Actually you think what is life and who from where we got the gift of the life, and you also think once about of our parents and whoever live near reside by us, who is there, then how the life is comprised of, and what are the things that are evenly happening in the realities of the life that brings a real example that what should happen and what not should be happened in these things. So these are the things that are going to be taken in the intermediate disappointments of the appreciation of the pleasures of life that offers, because we have received life and what it comprised of, these good things and even bad things. So we should have to make the life by the getting of the example of the field. That is a broad concept. What you can say is that life is compared with the term battle. So what is the term battle you can call? Battle, it is a source of the fight between the two people, and you can take with the example when you are going to have or when you are going to enter into the battlefield, naturally you will come by the success of winning from the other person here. So that the challenging task should be there in your life, because life presents both opportunities and challenges. That has already been shown with the two words. And what are these opportunities and challenges that you should have to face it there? So that is why itself we should have to respond to all these opportunities and challenges that are being taken or that are being seen apart from the side of the life. Sometimes you can also see that even you may come across with the troubles there. So then what are these troubles? Also you can know. You can also even say that you can have, or you can say with the things of the negative aspects by which of our feelings and emotions may have to answer to that side there. So that are the things that are going to be happen to overcome our feelings and thoughts that has to be overcome because we ensured with our life. Life is there, the activity is there. We should have to overcome from all the disappointments and whatever the disheartened temporary setbacks are going to be arise in our life. We should have to be seen, or we should have to be faced with our positive attitude, but not with the negative aspects of these feelings and thoughts that are going to be overcome there. So you take sometimes you may feel also, you may also have the sort of enjoying of happy things, and sometimes you can have your heart may go towards to the successness or successfully you can get good things, and you can enjoy most of the time in the having of the events, that when you make sure that these are the events that makes you your heart or lively nature with the happiest moments, and these are the things which are going to be happen to have the regain of the balance by the having of all the composures either with these joyful and sorrowful moments. So you can take with the life as a balance of the two words, where you are going to enjoy with these two terms. What are they? The two terms are you are facing with the things of joyfulness and sorrowfulness, and you should have to take with the hopeful and despair. And these are the contradictory words which are going to be helpful in our life by encouraging a human life to go or to look beyond the pleasures of the life which he has to enjoy more and more there. Not only she says, she also gives one example. What she suggests or what she asserts us that life is a long battle. Hope though that you should have to enter into the battlefield so that you can win and come with the powerful by the initiating of the hope that is behind by you, and makes this winning of the concept eventually in your life to go forward. So these are the things that examples when you are going to have your asserts and feelings in your life, you should have to follow up these concepts there. Either you are going to have your challenges to be enjoying in the pleasures of the life, and what are the tasks and what are the challenges that are to be proved by you, and your seems to be have to be over the winning of the concept that is going to be seen in the forward direction only. So life is again compared with the lastly the battlefield. Even if you are going to enter into that field, you should have to come out with the having of all the pleasures of the life that has been given by you by the offering of all the things. Either you win or you lose. So that you should have to take in the proving of your challenges in their task there. So that is why for this also you can see the example of one side of a coin there, where you are going to see the facets of a coin, so that that can be shown of all these ways there for you. These are the things that you can identify in the life, and you have to take the step that powerfully are initializing the hope that you should have to win and come with a successful way there. So these are the points of the realities of the life where we are going to have to remind us that we should have to face the moments by the having of the enjoying of joy as well as sorrow, as well as this hope and despair. Then lastly, she is going to say with the statement that it is the hope that will win eventually to a powerful initiating taking of the step in the pleasures of the life that has been offered by the God in the gift of taking of yourself in life there. So these are the points which are being expressed in the poem, where the realities of the life of the remains of the human beings is being said there. And she also encourages to have the appreciation of the pleasures of the life that has to offer and which has been given by the God there. And lastly, she says that a battle is a thing, or a battle is an atmosphere, or around this atmosphere you should have to enter. Though the despair seems to be more powerful also, that makes you or that makes it run to eventually run with that successful force of the stepping into the battle there. So whenever you are going to get up all these hurdles and even the problems, the given of the life of the God that has been given, we also able to have our theme to be solved very clearly, and we should have to keep the challenges to task or to win over the opportunities to respond to these challenges which has been put an effort there. So that makes you in the life to go forward, not in a backward or even in a state of disheartedness of the setback which has been offered there. So these are all the points which has been covered by the author Charlotte Bronte. By the facing of all these points, normal human being can have his scenes or his dreams should be more powerful, and that should be initially makes the hopes to win wherever he setbacks them. So these are the points which are being given about the view of this Charlotte Bronte, and we can have the session of the poem live. By the reading of the poem, we can see what are the things that she has been expressed in the poem in one more session of the topic that has been given for us. Thank you once again. You can have the continuation in the next video.